What's up, guys? Ironhide City 17 here, and today I'm actually going to do a step-by-step tutorial on the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now, I've already done one tutorial on this, but I don't think I did too good on this. And I wanted to clear some stuff up from that tutorial. Sorry, my camera's a little shaky. This is actually a really nice Rubik's Cube. I will be using this Rubik's Cube to do the tutorial. I have other cubes. I have a 2x2 through 6x6, and also the cross cube, which I haven't been able to solve yet. So, as soon as I'm able to solve that, I will make a tutorial. Just so you know. Now we will go ahead and I'll go ahead and scramble this up off camera, and then we'll get to it from that point. Let's see if I want to mix this up. Alright, we got the cube nicely scrambled and ready to go. And just doing a nice inspection before we get started. We're going to target. I'm actually going to go over the move notation first, so you know what I'm talking about. This side, the side that faces you, is the front side. This top side is the up side. This right side is the right side, on the right. The left side, this is the left side, and this bottom side is the down side. We will not be using the back side because that's rarely used in cubing, I think. So, I do hope to clear a lot of stuff up. If there is any confusion, I think I'll put like a help button right here on the video if you need help with this tutorial at all. I'll go to a video. I'll take you to a video on where you can clear that part up. Just wiping some dust off here. My hands are sweaty. So we're going to start with the blue face, the blue side. So make that your up face. Now what you need to do first, and I'll make this multiple videos, is look for the pieces, look for edge pieces with blue in them. Like this one right here. If I swing this up, that will align very nicely. And actually, I can see that I have completed 2/4 or 50% of this side, of this, task, we'll call it. Now we'll focus on this one and this one. Sometimes you will find, man, why am I having no luck on getting pieces that are flipped incorrectly? Sometimes, occasionally, you'll have your cube looking a little bit like this, where this piece is flipped. So, occasionally what people do is, sometimes now you'll find yourself in a position where this would be, sometimes a piece would be flipped. I get this underneath where it needs to go. Blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Flip it up. It's correctly oriented. That's not the issue. The issue I have with this is this piece. Let's see if I can get oriented wrong. Sometimes you'll have yourself in a position like this. There we go. Sometimes you'll have yourself in a position like this. You flip this up and it's correctly spun. But I want to show you how you can fix this if it's flipped the wrong way. I get this underneath where it needs to go, like this. I flip it up, and whoa, it's flipped the wrong way. In the right place, blue, red, blue, red. Sorry if I'm talking really fast in this microphone. Let's see if I can fix this real fast. That piece. Yes. Right here. The algorithm you use your very first algorithm right here. F prime, U. L prime, U prime. Like that. Once you got this top cross complete, congratulations, you've got one part of the Rubik's Cube. Good to go. Stay tuned for the next video where I fill in these corners.